Welcome to 7 days belly fat loss exercise challenge. So let's go. Number 1, jumping jack. Our first experience is jumping jack. This is great warm up move. Increase your heart rate, improve blood circulation and kicks start fast burning. Keep your core tight, land soft and move your arm and leg in rhythm. Do this 45 seconds, then take 15-second rest. Our second exercise is start. Name mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Bring your knees toward your chest one by one and keep your back straight. This exercise engages your abs, strengthen your core and burn calories quickly. Do it 25 seconds followed by 50-second rest. And next exercise, elbow plank. Place your elbow under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe and tighten your core. Hold this position. Remember, quickly matters more than time. Stay strong 45 seconds. You are really feel your abs working. Fourth exercise, flutter kick. Lie on your back, keep your legs straight, lift them slightly off the ground and move them up and down alternately like Caesar. This move targets lower belly fat and tones your abs. Do it 45 seconds and then rest. Now we are moving high knees standing. Run in place while bringing your knees up toward your chest as high possible. This cardio move burn fat and improve stamina. Push your 45 seconds on, then a short break. Guys, if you are struggling with stubborn belly fat, want to burn calories at home, this workout for you. No equipment is needed, just your body energy and commitment. Let's get started one by one.